It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, May 29th. I'm James Spann. Moist air going nowhere. There will be variations in the coverage and placement of showers and storms each day, and those are pretty hard to forecast in advance in the summer season. But we do our best, and let's go in there and talk about things. Here's a look at the water vapor satellite view early this morning. Winds aloft, kind of light and variable here. The better dynamic forcing out ahead of that trough over Texas, and again, more big problems in Dallas-Fort Worth with flooding. Had a lot of water rescues, especially in Dallas County overnight early this morning, and flash flood warnings continue in effect there. That was the radar at 5:10. Heavier rains beginning to move east of Dallas at that point. But that Trinity River got about as much water as it can take. Flash flood watches, most of Texas, Oklahoma, some of the adjacent states. You know, they're trying to play the College World Series softball in Oklahoma City. As I've been saying for days, expect rain delays. Got Alabama and Auburn still playing. I think they both play today. Starting off the day in the 60s, we'll expect mid-80s today, a little warmer than recent days. Severe weather possibilities stay west of the state. A slight risk over parts of West Texas. A marginal risk as far east as Louisiana and Arkansas. And then tomorrow, that marginal risk clips the northwestern corner of the state. But again, this is not a big severe weather threat. And on day 3, which is Sunday, all of Alabama in a marginal risk. And again, you know, it's summer. The threat with these things are wet microbursts, you know, heavy rain, lightning, things like that. For the classic severe storms of spring and fall, no, nothing like that. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. This is suggesting heavier totals over the northwestern corner of the state, where amounts could approach 2 inches. Elsewhere, about 1 inch on an average basis for our part of the state. All right, model fans. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. Got a 588 ridge on the East Coast. Temperatures way above average, especially up in the Northeast U.S., and again, troughing across the Great Plains. And for us, we still have moist air. Dew points are still up in the 60s, and we'll still have the chance of showers and storms. But I do think they will be more scattered in nature today, more widely spaced. And this is the HRRR, really showing hardly anything here at 4 o'clock today. So I think there is a high chance today will be drier than recent days. But clearly understand, you could have a shower or a storm this afternoon. This is tomorrow as the weekend begins. A good 1031 high on the Canadian border. Got a surface boundary from near Chicago down to Wichita Falls. In advance of that, showers and storms should be most concentrated. And where we are, I think it might be a lot like today. I think a decent part of the day tomorrow could be dry. But again, no doubt there could be a few scattered showers and storms about, mainly tomorrow afternoon. And the high should be in the middle 80s. Sunday, that surface boundary gets a little closer, and we could see a little bump in the coverage of showers and storms Sunday. So at the moment, it looks like of the 2 days, that could be the wettest day. But even Sunday, it's not going to rain everywhere, but I think no doubt it will rain in most places. And the high Sunday may be dropping in the low 80s because of the clouds and showers. The front never makes it. This is Monday of next week, and all next week we'll stay in the soupy air, and every day there will be some risk of scattered showers and storms, mainly during the afternoon and evening. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, same deal. I promise we're showing you different maps. They just kind of look the same, and this is a week from today. This is Friday, June 5th. Nice trough in the western states again. Kind of a little weakness on the Gulf Coast, and down below that, no big change. Warm, muggy, some risk of scattered showers and storms. Highs, I would say, mid-80s. And we do note evidence of maybe some kind of tropical mischief just off the South Atlantic coast. We have seen pretty good consistency and maybe the idea of some type of tropical low forming, maybe not too far from Tampa Bay, and then kind of drifting northeast. We'll see if that verifies. Most early season systems develop close in like that. This is the end of the forecast, Sunday, June 7th. And again, the heights are a little below average here. And again, down below that, it's moist air. And again, a chance of scattered showers and storms. You'll hear that almost every day through August and early September. Temperatures off the ensembles for the next 15 days. Highs mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s. About average for first half of June. And around the nation, temperatures above average in the Northeast and out west, below average over Texas. And again, for us, I think temperatures should be pretty close to where they should be for the first 15 days of June. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.